How to migrate Gmail to Office 365. Manually migrating from Gmail to Office 365 is quite difficult. That's why we are introducing Regain Gmail to Office 365 migration tool. This software offers multiple advanced features such as migrate Gmail emails to Office 365 and more than 10 plus email clients, save Gmail data into PST, Mbox, EML, and many more formats, maintains the folder hierarchy, and keeps meta properties intact. You can easily download this software from our official website. Just go to Google and search for Regain Gmail to Office 365 migration tool. On Google search, open this website. This is our official website. From here you can buy our software or try out the free trial. To download the free trial of this software, simply click on the free download button. Once the software file is successfully downloaded, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. In the installation wizard, simply follow a few on-screen prompts, and the software will be successfully installed on your device. You can see it's so simple to install the software. Now let's run the software and see how to perform Gmail to Office 365 migration. This is the dashboard of this software. Here, besides Gmail, you can also migrate your Yahoo Mail, Yandex Mail, Rediff Mail, Zoho Mail, GoDaddy, Outlook, or MSN or Hotmail, hosting or webmail, IMAP, or other accounts. According to our target, let's log in the Gmail account and migrate to Office 365. For that, first select the Gmail or G Suite option. Enter your Gmail email address. Enter the correct password. Make sure to use the app passwords in case two-step verification is turned on in your Google account. Now simply click on the login button. Once the login is successful, all the folders of the Gmail mailbox will be imported on this software. Click on any folder, and you will get a preview of all the available emails at the top left panel. Now click on any email and you will get a preview of the email at the bottom left panel. Click on the Cloud Migration option. Here you can see you can migrate to Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail or MSN, or Outlook.com, GoDaddy Email, Office 365, or Exchange Server. As per our target, I am selecting the Office 365 or Exchange Server option. Here you can see there are two login methods available: Basic Authentication and Multi-Factor Authentication. In Basic Authentication, simply enter the necessary credentials and click on the Login button to log in your Office 365 account. The Multi-Factor Authentication method is more advanced. Here, simply click on the Login Now button. Enter your Office 365 email address and click on the Next button. Enter the correct password of your Office 365 account and click on the Sign In button. In this window, recheck your Gmail and Office 365 mailbox address. If all seems okay, click on the Import Now button. As a result, the migration process will be started. According to your mailbox size, it may take some time to finish the migration. Here you can see the migration has been successfully completed. Now let's open the Office 365 Outlook and verify the migration. Here you can see all the folders of my Gmail mailbox have been successfully migrated. All the emails seem to be perfectly migrated. So this is how you can use this software and simply migrate your Gmail mailbox to Office 365. Moreover, this software allows you to export your Gmail mailbox into multiple formats. After connecting your Gmail account with this software, click on the Export button. Here you can see multiple formats are available. Let's select the PST format. Then click on the Browse button. Select a destination where you want to save the output PST file and click OK. Finally, click on the Convert Now button. As a result, the conversion process will be started, and once it's done, the output PST file will be saved on your local device.